the federal government's primary obligation is to protect its citizens. The state's primary obligation is to educate its children. That's the way it breaks down in our system of government. There are no losers in this case. It's not a winner and a loser. That all of South Carolina should embrace this decision because everybody profits by educating our children. If I had to write a remedy, a suggested path forward, I could not have done any better than Chief Justice Toll did in her approach to how we should fix the problem, how we should offer the kids in our districts the opportunity for an education. And that she said, I'm going to keep jurisdiction. The Supreme Court's going to keep jurisdiction over the case. And I want the two sides to get together and come up with an educational program or programs that will fix these problems so these kids will indeed have a chance at life, is the way it's described in the courtroom. My hope is, and my feeling is, and I'm very optimistic about this, after a 21-year battle, when we've essentially lost 3 generations of school children, 3 more generations of school children while we've been litigating this, as the General Assembly will embrace the decision as a clear path forward and will work with us. I'm sure there'll be some back and forth on this, but at the end of the day, we have to come up with an educational program or programs that pass constitutional muster. That once we get one generation of children successfully through our educational process so that they have a broader perspective of life and understand what an education can do for them, that it gets them out of the poverty so they can enjoy the same things that you and I enjoy every day, that will carry into future generations.